What does Loop do for your notes? Well, it really tunes them up to another level. If you click here, you can insert a kind of a format, like a list or a checklist or a voting table or a progress tracker, even a Kanban board, which is a kind of a project management tool that's pretty impressive. It's a lot like Microsoft Planner. But for now, let's just pretend that we're creating a task list, right? So if I click on task list, it pops the structure of a task list in there. But it's not just a text task list, it's got function behind it. So if I create some tasks here, do that, I can then assign them to a person. I'll assign this to Lisa Rivera, and I'll select a date to get it done, and I can even create a series of buckets that we would put it in. Now let's assign a task to me. I'll put do it, and I'll assign that to me. Come on, there it is, there I am, and I'll select a date for me to get that done. Okay, not so different than a lot of the task lists that we create. Of course, I would add a title to this, and we'd be in great shape. The difference is, for everybody that we include in this page, everybody can add their own tasks for each other on the team. It's a living, working, breathing task list that has a home. And the way that you go to its home is you click here on task list up here. When I click on that, it takes me to a Microsoft 365 place where this can live. I can then bookmark this with one left click, drag it down, bookmark, boom. Now, again, let's go back to Monday morning. Oh, we assigned all that stuff. We asked people to put their tasks in there. How do we catch up to that super fast? We click on that because we drag that down, and we're right back to that task list. So this is very impressive to me because it allows you to do something that often gets lost, is people divvy up the tasks for an assignment, people go out, they go, and then suddenly how do we know how we're progressing on this task? This is a great little new feature. So Loop has a bunch of different applications. We're working on a video for it right now, but Loop is a whole new thing inside of OneNote. It powers up OneNote.